Hi friends, and welcome to today's video. My name is Benjamin, and in today's video we shall be looking at how to link a table of contents to your Microsoft Word document. You know, when you create the table of contents in your ebook, for example, the reader should be able to access other parts of your ebook right from your table of content by simply clicking on each item. And that's what we want to look at today. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button below. And if you are interested in getting other videos where we share ideas, secrets and strategies for making money online, content creation, helping entrepreneurs to with ideas that will enable them to succeed. If you are interested in videos like this, click on the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be informed instantly. Let's get started by going straight into the documents that we want to actually share. So I will get back and share this. I will share this document so that we will be able to look at it together. So here we are on this page. This is an ebook I created. And of course, I want to use it as a demonstration. If you look at the table of content, you will see that I have already created, I've linked all the items on the table of content to the various parts of the book. For the purpose of this tutorial, let me delink some of them so that we can use them as examples. I will show you at least 3 of them. Okay, then your destiny. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, let's remove the hyperlink. Okay, so here we are. We have the table of contents. Now, about the book and the other 2 have already been delinked, and I want to show you how you can link the items on your table of content to various parts of your book. What you do is that you go to the particular page where this subheading is located. About the book, let's go to where it is, about the book. You can see it here, about the book. So here we highlight it, and of course it is the insert. In your Microsoft Word page, you click on insert and you have different options. You find bookmark. Bookmark is what we need. We want to bookmark this particular item. So we click on bookmark, and so we already have them here. Let me delete them so that we do that afresh. So we have an empty bookmark here, and what we want to insert in our bookmark is about the book. So we can simply type about book. Make sure there is no space between 2 words. So you click on add, and this item has been added on our bookmark. Then we go to table of contents, and we want to link this, we want to link that to the table of contents. We highlight the item on our table of contents, and this time we go to hyperlink, not bookmark again. We click on hyperlink and it opens, and make sure on this axis you click on place in this document, and under bookmarks you already have about the book because we already inserted it in our bookmark. It's already there. So we click on it and we click OK, and you can see the automatic change this item, the color changes on our table of contents. And then we need to cross-check to ensure that we have actually linked it. How do we do that? You can see Control plus click to follow the link. That's the normal way. So we click on this, and then we click on Control, the Control key on your keyboard. I'm holding it down now. And then I click on this. Okay, let me do it well. Control, click. You see, it takes us directly to where this item is located in the book. Okay, so let's go to other places. Let's try this particular one. Your destiny is tied to your talents. Let's head to that. Your destiny is tied to your talents. Okay, we have, okay, so this is where we have it in our book. So we highlight it, we want to bookmark it. Then we head to our bookmark. I've highlighted it. Click on bookmark, and then we write something here. We can simply write your destiny without any space. That will represent the page, the subheading. So we click on add, and we have already inserted it. So we go back to our table of contents, and we find the same item. Your destiny is tied to your talent. We highlight it, then we go to hyperlink this time. Click on hyperlink, and make sure on this axis you have place in this document, and then you already have your destiny under bookmarks. Click on it and click on OK. You can see the change. The change has taken place. The color is now blue. That shows that it has been linked to the table of contents. And so to verify, we control click. So I hold down the control key and I click, and it takes us directly to the page where we find the subtopic. Now let's do the final one. Let's go to the next one. Your life's purpose is tied to your talent. Let's highlight it. First, we bookmark it. So here we can type life's purpose. We don't have to type anything lengthy. We can type life's purpose. And then we add. We have inserted this on our bookmark. Again, we head to our table of contents. And then we highlight the same item, and we head to hyperlink. Click on hyperlink, and then you look for the same item, life's purpose. Click on it, and then click OK, and it is inserted automatically. So let's cross-check. I'm going to control-click on this item we just added to verify if we have done it well. Control, click, and here we are. So we have successfully added a table of contents. Here we have our table of contents. All the items here are added. If we again click on about the book, control click, it takes us to about the book. We go back to table of contents. If we click to what our talents all about, okay, control click, okay. All right, so let's head back to that. Let's check the ones we actually added right now. Okay. Okay, your life's purpose is tied. Let's control click. So here we are. So that is how it has been in today's video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and share it with friends, and click on the button on the bell icon so that you will have access to other videos when they are uploaded here. Thank you for participating.